Hello guys, in this video I am going to introduce you to just landed new model Inflection 2.5. This model has been announced by Inflection AI and it is their newest language model that powers Pi. And Pi is a personal AI chatbot this company is developing, and they say that this is at the moment world's best personal AI. After the focus on empathy, safety, and personalization, Inflection AI is really making inroads into intellectual performance to this PI. I have covered this PI in my previous videos, and the performance was quite good. Not as good as ChatGPT 4, but now they are claiming that they are reaching near similar performance to ChatGPT 4. The unique empathetic fine tuning performed on Pi is now complemented with strong reasoning capabilities. They have also released this press release where they have given a lot of information, such as multiple IQ oriented tests are performed on this Pi, and Pi 2 shows significant improvements compared to Pi 1. And as I mentioned earlier, it even shows near GPT-4 performance, but without surpassing it on any test. So ChatGPT-4 still number one. And the tests were carried on math, reasoning, coding, and all are assessed using datasets such as HumanML or MMLU. The thing is that their claims are quite interesting, and if you go through this paper, you will see these are the results here, where um, this light green is inflection 1, dark green is inflection 2, and gray one is ChatGPT 4. So the dark green and gray are the comparable. The dark green is what we are discussing at the moment, and you can see that on MMLU it is reaching very near to it, and also in the big bench hard plus also on the common sense. On the math, ChatGPT 4 is still good enough, so is the coding. Now, there are a lot of other things scattered throughout this paper. For example, uh, the brand new version of this Pi also boasts native real-time web retrieval capabilities, improving the user experience by allowing conversations about recent events. The tests on different benchmarks are performed without web retrieval. However, the context window length is not as large as other models. Um, I think the Pi's context window is only 10% of Claude's 200,000 tokens, which is quite low in my opinion. I think that is where inflection need to improve. So let's see how it works. You can use it on your desktop, laptop, your iOS, Android, or even they have a new desktop app which you can download. In order to try it, just scroll down to the end and I will drop the link to this page in video description. Then click on this try Pi now. Once you click on it, where is that? Okay, let me click again then. It just moved from here to try Pi now. Okay, so you will be presented with this where it is asking you to start talking with it. Let me make it a bit bigger. Okay, let's try it out. So I'm going to give it some fictitious, scenario. I'm asking Pi that, hey there, so I have got a tiny problem. I'm actually a superhero on a break from saving the world, trying to understand how to live like a regular human. First order of business. How do I order coffee without accidentally using my laser vision on the barista? And what on earth is a TikTok dance? Do I need special shoes for that? Let's see what Pi does. Because it says that it knows about the recent thing. There you go. Look at the response. Now it is saying that that sounds like a challenge worthy of a cape. It says ordering coffee, remember eye contact, not laser vision. Make eye contact with the barista, smile, and clearly state your order. Don't forget to say please and thank you. That's how human do it, okay? TikTok dance. No special shoes needed unless you want to dance in a style. A TikTok dance is a short, catchy dance routine popular on social media platform TikTok. You can learn one by watching and copying the movements or freestyle your own. Just remember it's about having fun and being creative and not saving the world this time. How cool is that? Okay. Let me follow that up with some more senseless things. I'm asking it if I accidentally fly while playing basketball, how do I convince everyone it's just a new type of jump I invented? Any tips on being less airborne? Look at the response of Pi. Pretty nice. I mean, I think it's a ChatGPT 4 quality responses. Feign ignorance, the super jump, grounding techniques. How cool is that? And if you read through it, the responses are not only very funny but quite witty too. It says to avoid more airborne incidents, try to focus on surrounding that stay grounded. Cool. Okay, let's ask one more. Regarding smartphones, is there an app to manage my super hearing? I mean, hearing every conversation in the city is too much info. Looking for a mute option here. Let's see what Pi does. Pi is thinking. It is saying, ah, yes, the old super hearing conundrum. And while there is no app for managing super hearing, visualization, imagine your ears have built in earplugs that can muffle sound. How cool is that? Look at the creativity and inventiveness of this Pi. And then it is also suggesting mindful breathing, ambient sound. You can use a white noise app. Okay, that is good. That's a good one. Okay, let's carry it on. And then I'm saying, how do I explain to my neighbor that me lifting my car to find my lost keys underneath isn't a magic trick or advanced yoga? Any cover stories that don't involve joining the circus? Let's see. Just thinking, oh dear, that's quite the situation. It understands the situation, and it is saying, pretend you have been secretly training as a bodybuilder and you have recently discovered your hidden strength. Cool. Experimental car modification, claim you were testing a new hydraulic system for your car. Look at that. Intelligent response. Act a bit embarrassed and misplaced memory. Laugh it off and say you completely forgot your part on a platform which you raised to check underneath for your keys. How cool is that? In meetings, how do I pretend I'm not reading minds? Last time, someone thought about their lunch and I blurted out, yes, pizza does sound good in the middle of a budget discussion. How cool is that? Yikes, that's the one superpower that's hard to hide. How, I mean, it is understanding everything. So it is saying distract yourself, keep your mind generic responses, blame it on intuition. If you slip up like on the pizza incident, play it off as lucky guess or a strong hunch. Say something like, I don't know, but pizza has just popped into my head. While we are on the topic of pizza, is it permissible? Okay, it is okay. Let's do. It is okay to put Vegemite on my pizza. Vegemite is very popular in Australia. I'm not sure if you have ever tried it out. It says that pizza is a personal journey. Oh wow, pizza is a personal journey. And if Vegemite makes your taste bud happy, go for it. You might raise a few eyebrows from traditional pizza lovers, but you are already a superhero in disguise. Cool. So breaking pizza norms should be a breeze. So it is remembering, and then so it is just winking at me. Oh my god, this is so intelligent and human-like. Okay, let's see. Is it considered rude to use super speed to finish all the office stuff donuts before anyone else gets a chance? And then it says, "Ah, that sounds like a classic super speed dilemma. Technically, it could be seen as rude to use your power to gobble up all the donuts before your coworkers. But don't worry, we can turn this into a win-win situation." And then it goes on and on. But look, guys, I think beautiful model, beautiful responses. So I think it is definitely best personal AI at the moment, along with ChatGPT 4. So awesome stuff, beautiful. I will drop the link, as I said, to it in video description. Play around with it. Let me know what do you think. I love it. And if you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network, as that really helps a lot. Thanks for watching.